Hello friends, day 11 of the meat chickens. They're starting to sit around and kind of chill. All right, watch out, it's okay. It's okay. Let's grab one and see what they look like. Come here, buddy. All right, he's okay. Oh, poor guy. He doesn't know any better. So that's what a 12-day-old Cornish cross broiler looks like. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Feathers still coming in. Tail feathers are coming in. They seem like it's okay. It's okay. They're losing more. They're down. So yeah. What does this temperature look like here? 90. I think we're doing all right on temperature. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So got 20 chicks. They're doing good. Going through a gallon of water every day. They are eating feed quite well, and they're growing. So that's what day 12 looks like, you know. Not a whole lot to say except that they're obviously growing. That Crusty Buns. Crusty Buns was a little. This guy's a little small. Hey, it's okay, buddy. He's a little small. Maybe it's the G compared to the rest. I guess to see you guys tomorrow. That's what it looks like to be a day 12 chicken. Uh-oh. I gotta check one. I might see some blood. I hope that's not blood I see. No, that's not blood, but that's definitely not looking like normal poop. What is that? You okay? I don't know. That worries me. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Would you stop pecking him? Don't be a little pecker. All right, see you tomorrow, guys.